Flutter and Dart are asynchronous by nature. With Dart's futures, you can manage I/O without worrying about threads or deadlocks. But how do you build widgets when a future's involved? Enter FutureBuilder, the future of handling, well, futures. FutureBuilder lets you easily determine the current state of a future and choose what to show while the data's loading and when it's available. Start by giving FutureBuilder a future and then a builder. But make sure to check the state of the future with connection state and display an appropriate widget when your future's busy. Finally, it's good practice to check that no errors occurred while your future was resolving. There are other connection states that you can use. For more info on FutureBuilder and all the other Flutter widgets, head on over to flutter.io.